everything we know about the beginning of our universe called the Big Bang. All of you know that the Big Bang supposedly happened 13.8 billion years ago and created all of the universe. Our universe was expanding at an enormous and relentless rate. You may ask yourself, what exactly was there before the Big Bang? Well, nothing. There was just nothing before the universe. We can't say what exactly was before the Big Bang itself, but only think about it. No space, no time, no universe, no stars, no stuff. Just nothing. Can nothing be described? Nearly all of us imagine nothing like the color black, but nothing does not look like the color black. Dreaming about what was before is natural. I mean, it helps our brains to cope. Some people answer this paradox with religion, and others with philosophy. What is nothing indeed? Nothing is described as the complete absence of anything. This concept has been a matter of philosophical debate since the 5th century before Christ. Some people argue that nothing is impossible to exist. Others say there was a point of energy before the Big Bang, the formation or midpoint of dark energy stacked to each other. They claim that the Big Bang started at one point, but the Big Bang did not happen at a point. Well, this is not true but not false. Maybe it really did happen at one point, but we are desperate to find this one point where the universe began in space. It's more like a bigger space in which the Big Bang happened. One thing we can know for sure is that the Big Bang is traveling faster than the speed of light. The farthest parts of the universe we know about are traveling faster than the speed of light. That's why we will never be able to know how is the universe really big and what is behind it, if there's something. The Big Bang wasn't just when all the stuff formed. It was also when all the space for the stuff has been created, and the time for the stuff to exist in. Now let me tell you about the discovery from the James Webb Space Telescope that says that there has never been something like the Big Bang in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope debunks the Big Bang by finding galaxies that predate the universe itself. However, scientists are afraid that this isn't true. Here's what really happened with the James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomers discovered a few galaxies that appear to have first formed 13.4 billion years ago. Why is this so concerning? These galaxies were formed just 350 million years after the Big Bang. This tells us that the first generation of galaxies was born much sooner than we had previously thought. Yes, it is exciting news, but it hasn't broken the Big Bang theory yet. Those galaxies were formed 350 million years after it, but what did really happen in the first second of the Big Bang? An abundance of invisible subatomic particles was released from the hot plasma that filled the universe, forming what scientists call the cosmic neutrino background, in the first second also with neutrons, protons, electrons, anti-electrons, photons, and neutrinos by incredible power and speed. The entire observable universe would have a radius that, if we drew it around the sun today, would enclose just the 7 nearest star systems. You may think that this is small, but consider the fact that this was just in 1 second. In 3 minutes, the light elements were born during a process known as Big Bang nucleosynthesis. The universe was extremely hot and dense. The temperatures were around a quadrillion Celsius. In a few hours, the production of helium and other elements would have stopped. After the next million years, the universe would have just continued expanding without anything substantial happening. Scientists believe that about 100 million years the first stars formed, prior to the formation of the first galaxies, as the elements that make up most of planet Earth had not yet formed. The stars were almost entirely made up of hydrogen and helium. In 350 million years, the first galaxies started to form. Usually a big star would become a black hole, and other stars would be pulled into the black hole, forming a galaxy, a formation of stars orbiting the black hole in the center. From that time, the universe has been forming constantly with supersonic speed and power. Thank you for watching, and be ready for another interesting videos. See you later.